How to build your coaching business on Zenler, step by step. So if you're a coach trying to grow your business online, you've probably noticed something frustrating. Nothing quite fits together. One tool for scheduling, another for emails, another for communities, a course platform on top of that, payment somewhere else, and somehow your clients are expected to navigate all of this, as well as you. You don't need to run your business this way. In this video, I'll walk you through how to build a complete coaching business on Zenler, step by step, using one calm system that supports your work instead of complicating it. Now, when you sign up for Zenler, you're also going to get access to a 30-day accelerator program that's going to teach you the foundations of Zenler super quick, so you can implement these straight away. Start with your coaching home base. Before programs, pricing, or funnels, every coach needs one thing: a home. Your online home isn't just a website. It's where people meet you, understand your message, and decide whether they trust you. Inside Zenler, you can create simple pages without design skills. A strong coaching home base includes who you are, who you help, the transformation you guide, your story and why you do this work. One clear next step. Your homepage should feel warm, human, and uncomplicated, just like working with you. Clarity builds trust. Define your core coaching offers. Many coaches think they need lots of offers. They don't. A simple coaching business is built around three core offers: one-to-one coaching, deep personal support and accountability, group coaching programs, structure, guidance, and shared growth, a signature course or membership, your coaching framework, available anytime. All three can live inside Zenler without juggling tools. Just remember, this is not an overnight success. Start with one offer and more when it feels natural to you. Build your one-to-one coaching space. Your one-to-one coaching space should feel personal, even online. Inside Zenler, you can create private client areas, upload notes, resources, and reflections. Keep session progress and materials in one place. Client logs in and instantly sees their next step, their progress, their resources. That clarity reduces anxiety and increases confidence, especially when you use the community feature. It means you can keep in contact with your students and clients constantly and get them talking and sharing between each other. So design your group coaching program. Group coaching is one of the most effective ways to scale while staying human. A strong group program includes live sessions that anchor the experience, a clear curriculum, a supportive community, replays and resources, milestones that show progress. Zenler keeps all of this organized so your client experience rhythm, not chaos. Your program becomes something clients rely on, not something they have to figure out. Turn your coaching framework into a course. Most coaches are closer to creating a course than they actually realize. Your course is simply your coaching method placed into a step-by-step flow. Outline your method, break it into short lessons, and simple support materials. Keep your videos conversational and clear. You don't need studio quality, you need warmth, and you need that clarity. A course gives the client structure and gives you leverage without more hours. Grow your coaching community. Community is one of the most powerful parts of a coaching business. Inside Zenler, your community lives alongside your programs, not on a separate platform. A strong community includes daily prompts, wins and reflections, accountability threads, occasionally challenges, and of course a leaderboard. Community deepens transformations. It also reduces churn and increases long-term engagement. We have gamification built into Zenler, which adds that healthy competition element. Simple marketing funnels and emails. Marketing doesn't need to feel overwhelming. Inside Zenler, you can create landing pages, build simple email sequences, send broadcasts, set up gentle funnels, lead magnets, emails, invitations. That is enough. Keep your eyes open. Simplicity is already working. Look at your business as a system. When everything lives inside one platform, your coaching business stops feeling scattered. It becomes one clear message, one offer ecosystem, one client home, one rhythm. Zenler isn't just a course platform. It becomes the foundations that hold your entire coaching business steady. This is how real coaching businesses grow steadily, clearly, and with intention. If you're ready to simplify your coaching business and bring everything into one calm environment, start with the full written guide linked below. And when you're ready to build, try Zenler risk-free for 30 days and get access to our accelerator program that guides you step by step. Less tabs, more coaching.